So here we are, modified the Cajon. Now it actually has a wooden soundboard, and we'll get to the carbon fiber on the other side. Actually, it had a carbon fiber soundboard before, but it was a 2.5 millimeter plate that I made. And while it sounded good, I think there's just more brightness to be had. So I made a plate I just finished today, and it's about 1.75 to 2 millimeters. Very hard to get a consistent reading on that. So let's call it 1.75 to 2 millimeters, somewhere in there. 4 layers of carbon fiber. So anyway, start with the wood. I mean, that's okay. Not the best, but it's okay. But the carbon fiber is really what I really enjoy. Nice and crispy. So here it is.